how you do a 360 shotgun kill. Ooh, that shit.
Y'all saw that right. Y'all saw that right. Ugly. Okay, let's check up here. I know I'm camping, y'all. That's the only map I probably do a 360 on, you know. I just don't see nobody though.
Oh!
Yeah, y'all. Y'all thought that. Oh, I got shot. Yeah! Watch this die. Oh, I got busted again. You know, I want to pay attention, y'all. Wasn't paying attention. You know, these motherfuckers going down. Now, one of them was next. Oh, my shot charge. Wait, just wait, you don't give time. Give it time. What I tell you, just give it time. Watch this, y'all. So that one first this guy just feel like
That's how you do it.
I got shot, y'all. Y'all saw that. It's cool though. I got afterlife on them.
Hopefully y'all guys can help me upgrade my what's the name, you know.
We have a camper.
Other than just hit me out, y'all.
Watch this. Camping on the sofa. What I tell you guys, watch this. You know I'm going to get them, right? Yeah. Send me a message if you think I'm going to get them. Stitch them up, y'all. You saw that. Also, my shot charge right here. I'm done.
Almost complete. Don't quit now.
Watch this, y'all. Shot charge always help you out. Though. But your people are at, you know what I'm saying? They were gonna try to take the kid, you know. You better get up.
Good now.
So you about to get shot. Uh-oh. Don't do that right.
If y'all got anything that's send me a message.
Alright, this is today's 360 shotgun. Might have to make another episode for you guys. Announce you guys later.
I could just kill, okay?
Watch this. Oh, snap in the back.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
See you guys later.